Okay, so I'm going to do 10 fast fingers typing test. It's a very good typing test. Website. My record is 110 here. I haven't tried much, and my average is around like 105 or 100. So, however, of course, when I'm recording, more nerves, whatever. You'll hear a lot of clackety, so beware. 103. Okay, that's decent. I'll try again. I spelled a lot towards the end. Nervous. Okay. 109. That's good. Oh, not many more words. Okay, I'll try once more probably. Okay, I already spelled it. Spelled it last time. I'm just kidding. So, what? Okay, I don't know what's wrong with me right now. Hundred. Okay. So I've been using just normal not what's it called? Oh, it's QWERTY keyboard. So yeah, I think that was a good session. I can't do a lot in a lot of I can't do a lot before my hands get tired. So yeah, that's pretty good. 100. There are many people better, but I think this is pretty good. So yeah, that'll be it.